What we do here is go back.
Hey, what's up YouTube? Freestone Investing back with another video, and today I wanted to talk about my $13,000 Robinhood portfolio update. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to the channel and thank you for your continued support. If you're a new subscriber, my channel talks about growing your wealth, investing in the stock market, and decreasing your debt. So if those kind of things interest you, then this is the place for you. Today in the video, we'll talk about how my portfolio has been performing. We'll also talk about all the stocks that I hold and how they've been performing. We'll talk about all the dividends that I'll be receiving. And finally, I'll leave you with the finance quote. So with all that said, let's jump right into the portfolio. So as you can see, the portfolio is worth $13,079.24. The portfolio was last updated on February 14th, which was Valentine's Day. And for that day, I was up $40. For the past week, I was up $147. For the past month, I'm up $270. For the past 3 months, I'm up $674. For the past year, I'm up $1,207, and all time, I'm up $1,344, or 11.46%. So I'm very excited to see where the portfolio is going to go. I do have some high growth stocks that hopefully will pan out over the future. So next, we'll talk about each and every one of the stocks that I own. My first stock is Johnson & Johnson, which is a personal care / healthcare company. Right now, the stock's price is worth right around $150. Since purchase, I'm up 3.23%. This is a quarterly paying stock. It pays 95 cents per share. Right now, I own 1 share of this stock, but I do plan on adding more shares in the future because this stock has shown consistent growth and it is a dividend aristocrat, which means this was growing its dividends for at least the past 25 years. My next stock is AbbVie, which is a pharmaceuticals company. Their main product is Humira, which fixes autoimmune diseases. Right now, the stock's price is $94. Since purchase, I'm up around 5.78%. This is a quarterly paying stock. It pays $1.18. They recently upped their dividend from $1.07, so I'm happy about that because it's more money for the portfolio. I'm going to continue to add more shares of this stock in the future because this stock is a dividend aristocrat also. My next stock is Iranian Pharmaceuticals. Right now, the stock's price is right around $19. Since purchase, I'm down 7.17%. Besides the last few weeks, the stock's price has been going up a lot, so I'm going to see what it does. Right now, the stock doesn't pay any kind of dividends, but I'm going to give it a chance because it's had such an explosive amount of growth and it has a lot of growth potential, and I would like to capitalize on that. So I'm going to hold on to it for right now. My next stock is Shares Smp 500 ETF. Right now, the stock's price is $43.26. Since purchase, I'm up 4.12%. I own 3 shares of this stock right now. This stock pays right around 16 cents per share monthly. So at the end of this month, I'll be receiving a 47-cent dividend. I'm going to continue to invest in this stock because of its continued growth and its continued increase in dividends over time. My next company is Microsoft. Right now, the stock's price is $185.30. Since purchase, I'm up 15.55%. I recently just bought a share of this stock on Friday, so I went from 2 to 3 shares. This stock pays 51 cents quarterly for a total of $2.04 every year. I'm going to continue to increase my shares in this stock because of its extreme growth and because it's been increasing its dividends. My next stock is Apple, which is the largest company in the world. Right now, the stock's price is $325. I own 7 shares of this stock. Since purchase, I'm up 17.55%. This company has been experiencing an explosive amount of growth in the past few months and years, so I'm going to add as many shares of this stock as possible. The stock pays 77 cents quarterly, and I'm looking forward to it increasing its dividends because it's been beating its earnings per share and it also has a lot of free cash on hand. My next company is AT&T, which is a large telecommunications company. Right now, the stock's price is $38.25. I own 39 shares of this stock. Since purchase, I'm up 2.6%. Over the past few months, the stock price has been pretty stagnant, so I'm not going to add any more shares until the stock's price drops a little bit so I can get a little bit more value for my money. This stock pays 52 cents quarterly for a total of $2.08 per year and is a pretty decent company. So I'll continue to hold my shares and, like I said, see what it does in the future. The next stock is Verizon Wireless. Right now, the price is $58.59. I own 2 shares of this stock right now. This stock has also been pretty stagnant over the past few months. Other than that, shown a decent amount of growth. I'm actually down 0.24% since purchase. I'm going to hold my shares of the stock right now. I believe the stock's price will rebound once 5G comes to fruition, and also once the new Apple iPhones come out later on this year. It should help boost the company's price. So I'm going to stand pat and see what the company does in the future. This company pays 62 cents per share quarterly. Next is the REIT portion of my portfolio. This is Apple Hospitality REIT. Right now the stock's price is $15.21. Since purchase, I'm actually down 6.3%. I own 73 shares of this stock right now. This is a monthly paying stock. It pays 10 cents per share. So next month I'll be receiving a $7.30 dividend. I do not plan on adding more shares of this stock at the moment. I'm just going to use its dividends to purchase higher yielding, less volatile stocks in the future to hopefully extend my growth and help my portfolio grow even further. Next is Stag Industrial. Right now the stock's price is $32.89. Since purchase, I'm up 7.45%. Right now I own 10 shares of this stock. This is a monthly paying REIT. It pays 12 cents per share. So next month I'll be receiving a $1.20 dividend. I do like this company. I'm going to continue to add as many shares as possible because it's had a lot of growth and it's been slowly increasing its dividend. This is Realty Income. Right now the stock's price is $80.25. Since purchase, I'm up 2.8%. Right now I own 7 shares of this stock. This company pays around 23 cents per share and did recently up their dividend. So on February 14th, I was paid $1.63 dividend, which is up from the $1.59 dividend that I was paid the previous month. I'm going to continue to add more shares of this stock because it's been increasing its dividend and it's also been slowly growing, which is very good for the portfolio. Next is AGNC. Right now the stock's price is $19.32. Since purchase, I'm up 5.17%. This is a monthly paying REIT. It pays 16 cents per share. So off my 1 share, I'll be paid 16 cents next month. Now I'm going to slowly increase the amount of shares that I have in this stock so I can buy higher growth, lower volatility stocks in the future. This is NRZ, another new stock in my portfolio. Right now the stock's price is $17.50. Since purchase, I'm actually down 0.6%, but that's fine. This is a quarterly paying stock. It pays 50 cents per share, which is a nice dividend. It's been slowly increasing its dividend and slowly increasing its price. So I'm going to continue to add more shares of this stock so I can increase the growth in my portfolio. Next is Lexington Realty Trust. Right now the price is $11.55. Since purchase, I'm up 28.4%. I own 152 shares of this stock. This is a quarterly paying stock. It pays 10.5 cents per share, which is up from 10.25 cents. Last month, I was paid around a $15.50 dividend from my 151 shares. I'm going to continue to try to add as many shares of this stock as possible because of its extreme growth and continue to ride the wave. This is New York Mortgage Trust. Right now, the stock's price is $6.29. Since purchase, I'm up 1.98%. Right now, I own 550 shares of this stock. It pays 20 cents per share quarterly for a total of 80 cents per year. Last month, I was paid a $108 dividend. Now, this is strictly a dividend play for me. I'm going to use this stock's dividends to purchase higher growth stocks such as Apple, Microsoft, hopefully in the future, Tesla, Amazon, and Google. Next is Main Street Capital, which is a business development company. Right now, the stock's price is $44.90. Since purchase, I'm up 8.83%. This is a monthly paying BDC. It pays 20.5 cents per share. So on Valentine's Day, I was paid a 62-cent dividend. I'm going to slowly add more shares of this stock in the future. Next is Target. Right now, the stock's price is $116.63. Since purchase, I'm up 7.74%. Now, this stock's price has been down a little bit over the past couple months, so it represents an opportunity for me to buy in this stock at a depressed price. I own 4 shares of this stock right now. This stock pays 66 cents quarterly for a total of $2.64 per year. Because this company is a dividend aristocrat, I expect it to raise its dividend in the coming year. This is Luckin Coffee, which is a direct competitor with Starbucks over in China. Right now, the stock's price is $38.09. Since purchase, I'm down 6.75%. Now, because of the recent coronavirus outbreak, it has depressed the company's price, but I believe once this is resolved, the company's price will go up because the company offers discount coffee and it also offers a user-friendly ordering system, which is easier than that of Starbucks, according to reports that I've read. So I'm going to continue to invest in this company. Next is Bank of America. Right now, the stock's price is $34.85. Since purchase, I'm up 4.03%. I own 1 share of this stock at the moment. This stock pays 18 cents per share quarterly, so I was paid an 18-cent dividend back in December. This stock has slowly been increasing its price and slowly been increasing its dividend, so I'm just going to continue to hold on to my 1 share. I kind of want to invest in other areas of the stock market because they've had higher growth and they had less volatility. This is Essential Utilities. Right now, the stock's price is $53.72. They recently changed their name from Aqua America over to Essential Utilities in the past couple months. I own 1 share of this stock right now. It pays 23 cents per share, and my last dividend was back in December. I own 1 share of this stock at the moment, and I hope to increase my shares in this stock because it is a dividend aristocrat, and the stock's price has been increasing slowly over time. My last stock is Coca-Cola. Right now, the stock's price is $59.95. Since purchase, I'm up 14.65%. Now, this company is a dividend king, which means it's been increasing its dividends for at least the past 50 years. So I'm going to continue to invest in this company and hopefully up my shares from the 4 shares, possibly to 5 to 6 shares by the end of the month. Now this company does pay 40 cents per share, and I'm looking forward to them increasing their dividend in the next couple months. In the next portion of the video, we'll talk about all the dividends that I'll be receiving from all the stocks that I have. I use an Excel spreadsheet to plot all the stocks, and I have 19 dividend paying stocks. And I received $781.32 after 12 months of investing. So we can see that $781.32 into 12 months equals $65.11 per month of passive income. This is an increase of $2.16 or 3.43% from my last portfolio update of $62.95. Finally, I have a finance quote for you. This one comes from Kobe Bryant. He says that the most important thing is to try and inspire people so they can be great in whatever they want to do. Rest in peace to Kobe Bryant, who is one of the most skilled, relentless, and hardworking individuals that I ever knew about. This quote spoke to me on much more than just a financial level. I love Kobe Bryant because he was always preparing for his next challenge. He was always studying, and he was always learning from his mistakes. And I believe that if you can apply this to your life, then you can make passive income in more ways than just the stock market. I wouldn't consider myself a success yet, but I have had small successes in investing in the stock market. I've been able to just now average over $65 per month in passive income. And in the last 12 months, my stock portfolio has appreciated more than $1,200, which means it's appreciated an average of $100 per month over the past year. I would love to inspire people because I'm just a regular guy. I work 80 hours every 2 weeks, just like a lot of other people in the United States. I would love to inspire them to pursue passive income because this will allow them to leave jobs that they may hate and escape the rat race. This will give them more time to spend time doing things that they like to do, such as hobbies, more free time for themselves, or more time with their families and people that care about them. I believe this will lead them to a more fruitful and happy lifestyle. That concludes the video for today. I would like to thank you for taking time out of your busy day to watch one of my videos. What do you think about my portfolio? And also, what do you think about the stocks that I have? Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. My channel just hit over 700 subscribers, so I would just like to thank you for your continued support and helping the channel to grow. With all that said, have a great day and continue getting that passive income. I'll catch you next time.